friends, I welcome all of you on my YouTube channel once again. Friends, what if someone asks you to find the answers for these two questions, or what if you see these two questions in your exam and you are asked to find answers for these two questions? Will you able to solve these two questions in a span of just 10 seconds? Yes friends, you heard it right, in a span of just 10 seconds only. If you can find the answers, please pause the video, find the answers and comment the answers in the comment section. I will be ready to interpret your answers, and also do mention how much time you took to answer these type of questions. I'll read first questions for you. First question says that find sum of all the numbers formed by 3, 6, 9, 7 and 8 taken all at a time. आपको सम ऑफ ऑल दी नंबर्स निकालना है जो इन सारे डिजिट से बन सकते हैं. यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल दी नंबर्स, जो मतलब आप सभी संख्याओं को मान निकालना है जो इन सारे नंबर से फॉर्म होते हैं. सो today in this video I am going to say you one super shortcut method by which you will be able to find this kind of answers in a span of just 10 seconds. So moving on to the shortcut, friends, we are starting with a new series called hashtag shortcut, in which I cover a super shortcut taking just 2 to 3 seconds to find the answers for various tough problems which are asked in the top competitive examinations like JEE, NDA, Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, BITSAT, CET and many more competitive examination. And from this trick already questions have appeared in the previous year JEE. So you can take, this is important for JEE. So we can take hashtag JEE, and also this is important for NDA as well, because chances are more to be asked in the next NDA examinations. So today we are covering the chapter of permutation and combination. So moving on to the trick, what the trick says, to find sum of all the numbers that can be formed by with n digit numbers. In this case you have one super shortcut. Just you need to remember this formula. I have one formula for you, and guys, let me remind you, these kind of formulas are not mentioned in your NCERT books which you solved during your school time. So here trick says sum of all the digits, you add all the digits into number of digit minus 1 into factorial into 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. This is the required formula, where n is what? N is number of digit. N is what? Number of digit. एक बार मैं फिर से इस फार्मूले को रिपीट करना चाह रहा हूँ हिंदी मीडियम के लिए. तो यहाँ पे जब भी आपको कोई पूछे सभी संख्याओं का योग निकालने के लिए, तो आपके सामने ये फार्मूले है. इसमें पहले वो सभी डिजिट को जोड़ देने हैं, इनटू करने हैं, वो कितने डिजिट है काउंट कर लेने हैं, -1 इंटू फैक्टोरियल करने हैं, उसके बाद इंटू 10 के पावर में जितने नंबर ऑफ डिजिट है वो n लिख देने हैं, -1 डिवाइडेड बाई 10 - 1 कर देना है. यही आपका रिक्वायर्ड फार्मूला है. यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस फार्मूला. नाउ फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग आई वुड टेक फ्यू एग्जांपल्स. लाइक एग्जांपल 1 जो आपके स्क्रीन पे अपीयर हो रहा है, इसमें पूछ रहा है फाइंड द सम ऑफ ऑल द नंबर्स दैट कैन बी फॉर्म्ड विथ डिजिट 2, 3, 4, 5 टेकन ऑल एट अ टाइम. मतलब आपको यहाँ पे ऑल सभी संख्याओं का सम निकालना है जो इन सब डिजिट से बन सकते हैं. वो डिजिट क्या है? 2, 3, 4, 5. तो सबसे पहले आपको क्या बताया था फार्मूला के रूप में? यू नीड टू ऐड सम ऑफ द डिजिट. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द फार्मूला. ऐड सम ऑफ द डिजिट, नंबर ऑफ डिजिट -1 इंटू फैक्टोरियल 10 to the power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So here also you will do the same thing. You will add the number of digit. You add this digit, so 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 we will do into n minus 1, मतलब नंबर ऑफ डिजिट -1, 1 2 3 4. यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ डिजिट 4 है, 4 minus 1 फैक्टोरियल into 10 to the power n. n is how much? 4 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. So this is the required formulae we have substituted in the formulae. On further simplification, if you add them, you will get 5 4 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 2 14 into 3 factorial into 10 to the power 4 minus 1, 10 10 minus 1, it will become 9. So it will become 3 factorial, so it will become 3 into 2, so 6. So 6 14 ja 84 into 9999 divided by 9. So if you cancel out, it will become 1 1 1 1. So your answer will be simply 84 into 1 1 1 1. I hope you can solve this further, 84 into 1 1 1 1, and get the required answers. How much time you took to solve this answer? Just 10 seconds. 2 seconds for substituting in the formula, and another 3 to 4 seconds in further calculation here, and another 4 to 5 seconds in further multiplication. I hope everyone got this first example. Now we will move over to the second example. So the second example which has appeared on your screen is, you are asked to find sum of all the numbers formed by 1, 3, 7 and 8 taken all at a time. This is again previously type of question. सो यहाँ पे आपको सम ऑफ ऑल नंबर्स निकालना है जो कि 1, 3, 7, 8 से मिलकर बने हैं, सभी को जब एक साथ लेकर बनाया गया हो तब सबसे पहले आपको ट्रिक में मैं क्या बताया था कि आप सभी डिजिट को ऐड कर दें. यू कैन ऐड ऑल द डिजिट्स. So you add it 1 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8 into number of digit, it is 4 minus 1 factorial into 10 to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. अब आप इसको फर्दर सोल्व कर लें. अगर इसको आप ऐड करेंगे तो 8 plus 7 it will become 15, 15 plus 3 it will become 18, 18 plus 1 it will become 19. So 19 into 3 factorial is 6 into 10 to the power 4 is minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1, it will become 1 1 1 1. So you can solve this multiplication and get the required answer as per the option which is given in your exam. So friends, I hope all of you liked the trick, all of you enjoyed the trick. So please subscribe to the channel for more tricks if you want in future, and also suggest the same channel to your friends, your colleagues, your juniors, or any of your classmates whoever is preparing or whoever in need of any shortcut. So you can suggest them. So thank you friends for tuning till the end. Be ready to for the next shortcut as well. Thank you. Jai Hind.